This is what happens when you try to paint Air Force Ones. So sad. What are those? Like, they look decent from far away, and then you get up close and it's a complete disaster. So when something like this happens, as an artist, you're supposed to say, I totally meant to do this. It's art. Come at me. Yeah, this was a complete fail. This is what happens when you try to paint Air Force Ones. But the thing is, I think we can fix it. I think it'll just take a little extra time. Alright, let's do it. Checkers, we got the drip. Oh my gosh. But let's talk about it. There was a little fail, but we overcame. We fixed it. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. You know, help a girl out. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.